So in the last video, we have discussed about how to set up the Burpsuit Pro cracked version in your Windows machine. And today, in this video, we are going to discuss about how to install Parrot OS in our Windows machine. Okay, for that we need to download VirtualBox first. So here, this is the link I'll put in the description itself. So here you can go for Windows host and you have to install it normally. Okay, just double tap and click next and go. It's normal installation. After that, you can open you will get an interface like this, and we have to install Parrot OS. If you have already have Kali Linux, it's okay, fine, you can go with that. You don't need to install Parrot OS again. You can go with the Kali Linux itself. So just I'll show how to where to download and how to install it. Okay. So this is the link for Parrot OS. So go here, scroll down, and here click this drop down menu and download VirtualBox one. Okay. So you will get an OVA file. After downloading, just double tap the file. It will automatically got once again automatically got opened in this VirtualBox itself. And after that, you need to do some configuration changes. So click this parent security and click on the settings. Here one error है ना, system processor page virtual CPU. Yeah, no issues in that. And here in the network, you have to change this into bridged adapter. Okay. And also in the display, you have to change if there is an error in the display, you have to change VMSVGA. Maybe by default it was like this VBox SVGA. So you have to change this to VMSVGA. Okay. So there is two changes in network side. You have to change into bridge adapter, and in the display you have to change graphic controller into VMSVGA. And this error is not an issue. Okay. So click OK, and you can start your Parrot OS. Fine. So we have set up our Burpsuit Pro, and also we have set up the Parrot OS. If you have Kali Linux, you can go with that also. No need to install Parrot OS separately. Both are same. Okay. And yeah, just wait for get started. Hope you guys already in our Discord group. This is our Discord group. And here in web app and testing, this is our group for bug bounty or web app and testing group. Here you can see some interview questions which will help you to crack your interviews in offensive side. And also in this general section, you can discuss about the common topics. And also in this latest news or articles, you can share the articles that you have read daily. Okay, or you can share your LinkedIn article here also. Okay, then here in this career section, you can see the latest updated vacancies. You can apply. Yeah, here is an email. You can apply with that, or if there is any link, you can go and apply using that link. Okay, I'll share the latest updated vacancies in this career section only. And if you have any doubt, you can also ping in this group, web app pen testing or bug bounty group. You can ping here. It's related to offensive security. Other groups are for other students like a CSA, SOC analyst, Computer Security Plus, CH. That's group. Okay. So once again, let me check. Yeah, it's loading. Just wait for a few seconds. Mm. Okay. If you already installed the Burpsuit Pro or Kali Linux, you don't need to watch these two videos. You can skip to next video. Okay. So let's wait. Mhm. Yeah, it's started. Click on login. You can set a password also. It's for study purpose now, so I didn't set up any passwords. Let me close these things. Okay. Yes. So we have completed our lab setup, and tomorrow we will learn about some basic commands, and also we will start our bug bounty hunting journey from tomorrow onwards. Our practical sessions will start it from tomorrow onwards. And if you have any doubt other than these practical sessions, you can mention in the Discord group itself. Okay, so that's all for this video. And yeah, thank you.